very unfortunate that we from the party leaders and all the, along with the two MLAs this morning at 11 a.m. Actually, we came here in the residence of Mr. Lakman Ramboy, meeting with all the leaders of the various parties to discuss and to find solution how to form a new government in Meghalaya. But we are regretted to inform you that after 2 or 3 hours, they were here with us, but they have gone somewhere. Until now, we do not know where their space about. So that is the the information that we get right now. So we are very sorry that we do not know where their space about, and we are trying to find them. And we let us try to find where they are, and we want to speak, and we want to talk, and we want to settle if any problem thereof. So that is the message from the HSPDP party. How many you want back young teen a constituency? I didn't bang you when you vote. But in the appointment, can raise a attacking the Junkisha, Tasha, National Kingdom party. Let me step in court given one. We don't get along. Decision how to deal with this situation. But first we will sit in the as the party meeting, and then we will take a call what to do and what to do. I cannot say as of now because we are the whole day we are here with them only. But recently they found they have gone somewhere, so we have no say about that. They did not inform us. That's why we are so surprising that they found that they have left this place without knowing by the party leaders. In case regarding that, because it is too early to to say. After the party has the opportunity to sit and to discuss about this matter, then we can see later on.